Happy wife, happy life.
I'm gonna wash your feet. Let's submerge them in the water.
Daddy is going to give Dawson a bath.
Yep.
While I'm watching Braden right here, guys. Dito siya natulog sa sofa.
And he's gonna be very good, he said.
Huh?
He's gonna be very good in the bathtub, he said.
Okay. Dawson.
Oh.
Natatakpan yung mukha niya, Daddy.
He didn't cry at all until now.
Good job, Daddy.
He didn't cry the whole time till I put the towel on.
Okay.
I'm gonna go dry him off.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
I'm sorry, you can't see. Okay, come on.
My little Braden is here. He's so cute. Holding mommy's hand. So guys, today is the twins' first gala. Kasi pag lumalabas kami, laging pupunta sa doktor or sa kanyang lola. Ngayon, kami pupunta sa aking friends kasi we're having a cookout, get together. It's actually like a late birthday celebration kasi sunod-sunod yung birthday namin, and then they just set a date na magkita-kita kami. And I didn't bring any food. We usually like cook foods and bring it there in their house, but I don't have time to make food, so I'm just bringing myself, Todd and the twins. Makikikain lang kami doon.
We don't have time to cook for ourselves, let alone bring food to a cookout.
So the twins are actually, I think they're sleeping. So yun guys, we had to stop, pull over, and I had to transfer here at the back because Dawson started crying really bad. So I give him a little bit of milk and his pacifier. Ayan. He's calm now. Ewan ko kung nakikita niyo siya, guys. And little Braden is here on my other side. He's actually sleeping. Daddy is alone.
I'm alone. Just like my single days.
Manang dali na. Oh, dali na dali.
Hi, Kuya Rory.
Hey, tita.
Hey. Ang taray. Ano ka ba? Pinicturean ko siya kanina, nag-smile siya. Hi, Rory.
Rice.
Ayaw.
Ano mo?
Ang gaganda nila. Hi.
Hi, you want some? Here, oh. Baboy.
Let's come here. Hi, Ate Judy. Hi, ito yung pinakamaganda sa akin. Ayaw magpa-video.
Huwag ka mag-get.
The twins are here. Aww. Yes, is sleeping.
Si Mother, yeah?
Yan, ang
Very
daming
snug.
yaya ng aking mga anak dito. Gaganda pa.
Oo. May lipstick, may isang yaya. Gusto niyong bumili?
Hospital ako. 5 months.
Gusto naman ng dalawa.
Ito, ano to? Placenta previa rin si Ted.
Itong iyakin.
Kaya pala.
Iyakin.
Kaya pala ganyan. Kaya sa'yo yan.
So yun guys, nasa bahay na kami, and my friend, yung may anak na lalaki din, he give us all this stuff, yung walker na hindi na ginagamit ng anak niya. Ang dami, may mga laruan pa ito, oh, yung parang basketball. So yun, the twins are kinda half asleep, pop, gising-gising, pero ang bait-bait nila doon sa bahay ng friend ko. Ganyan sila kapag nasa ibang bahay, ang bait-bait. Anyway, nakalimutan ko yung mga binalot kong pagkain. So, sobrang nagmamadali kami kasi umiiyak na yung kambal kanina. Nakalimutan ko yung mga binalot kong pagkain. So, my other friend is stopping by para idaan yung pagkain ko. Kasi nga, wala na akong time magluto. So, buti na lang may mga binalot ako para may pagkain ako the whole week. Guys, Daddy is washing their bottles, and I'm going to do the laundry there habang Braden is awake. Dawson is sleeping. So, kailangan ko kasing maglaban ng kanilang damit. I'm tired. Are you tired?
Yes. Nothing we can do about it.
Yeah, and dumating yung friend ko. Dinala niya yung pagkain ko. Why you didn't put this one in the fridge?
Oh, I forgot. It's only been out for a couple minutes.
Alimango. I mean, alimasag ata to, yung maliliit. Pero ang taba niya, ang daming aligi. This is lechon. Ito ay munggo. Ito, lutong ilonggo. Kasi mga ilongga yung mga friends ko. So, meron siyang buto-buto na may munggo. And spinach. And they give me a lot of rice. Para hindi na ako magluto.
Yeah, we don't cook rice here. We got this Mommy's Bliss gripe water. We're gonna see if this here helps settles their stomach for the being so colicky and fussiness and stuff. I'm not sure, but it's worth a shot. And if it doesn't work on them, maybe it'll work on Jen.
So yun guys, makakaligo na rin ako kasi nandito na si Cubs. Wala kaming vlog kahapon kasi we are both tired and maaga natulog si Cubs. Tapos ako, nagpatulog sa mga bata and meron na namang episode si Dawson kagabi. So we're going to try that gripe water kasi we read it online. Marami nagsasabi na it's really effective and sabi nila mawawala daw yung pagiging iyakin at yung pagiging gassy mga ilang 3 months. From 2 months to 3 months.
I don't know if it's gonna turn out
Nag-experiment si Calvo. Yung
We might be going to
chicken
KFC.
niluto niya sa air fryer. Kaya lang sobrang thick. It's because it's so thick. You should have cut it.
Yours almost done.
Yeah, because yours is thicker. Ay, yung luto na yung sa taas, yung gitna hilaw pa.
Well,
And
see here.
we're supposed to have that chicken and corn. Ito. I love corn. Is this done, Han?
The corn?
Yeah.
Yes, I just turned it down low.
So yun guys, I still have 20 days before I go back to work. So, I'm gonna miss my babies. Ginagawa ni Calvo sa chicken ko.
Got it.
What is going on, Daddy?
I don't know. How about KFC, honey?
I don't care.
Let me give it a couple more minutes.
Try to cut yours.
I can't even cut yours. I don't know if I can.
Kakain na sana kami, kaya lang nagising si Braden. Ayan, syempre, unahin mo na ang baby. Hindi na makakain si Mommy. Papadidiin ko muna tong batang itong. Tingnan nyo. Gutom. Braden! Braden! Hi guys! Yung
Hi.
magkamukha
I
nagbabanding.
need that little fist.
Daddy is going to take care of the two while I'm going to eat. Good luck.
Well, carefully put that one down because he's asleep. Oh no, he's opening his eyes.
Ah, his neck.
He's alright. He's up against me.
Ang taba-taba ni Dawson. Ayun guys, sinayaan namin yung dalawa sa kanilang crib. Sabi ni Calvo, paiyakin niya daw saglit. Sabi, buti na lang hindi umiiyak. And I'm going to eat now. Kumain na si Calvo. You're done eating. Yan, narinig ko na yung dalawa.
And they're crying already. I think they hate us.
And ni Calvo, they don't like us.
Let's film them. This is what we go through every night.
So, yun lang for today, guys. Maraming salamat. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye,
Bye, everyone.
everyone.